everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I actually decided to put myself on this background just to kind of make it a little bit easier for you guys to see my hair, because I did notice that when I'm doing some videos, I'm just like, man, it doesn't look that clear, or it looks like, you know, my camera's trying to focus in the background. So I'm gonna try to see how this works. The only thing is the leveling is a little bit off, and I had to turn the camera around to be able to zoom in. So I really can't see kind of what I'm doing. So if you see me look over this way, my mirror is right there, and it's just to kind of make sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. But anyways, let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing a product review on Camille Rose. This is my first time using two of the same freaking products in my hair and not like combining them from the same line. Because to get products, you know, together with the same line, it'd be expensive. So I'm going to use the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker. I hear this is great. This is amazing. It is expensive. This was $23.99. But some of the ingredients are water, pestin, basically coconut oil, aloe leaf juice, castor seed oil, marshmallow extract, agave leaf extract, horsetail extract, nettle leaf extract, some cornstarch, some seaweed. So basically it's great things in here. It's all stuff that's, you know, really good for your hair. So you don't have to worry about any, like, no silicones, no parabens, no anything like that. It says this would eliminate frizz, it moistures, and it defines curls the natural way. I'm going to be using it with their leave-in moisture milk, Curl Love moisture milk, rice milk, and macadamia oil. This is a softening leave-in conditioning cream with light notes of macadamia nut and vanilla. This smells amazing. It smells like freaking candy. I love this. As you can see, I'm just about out. It's down here. Some of these ingredients is water, cetera alcohol, avocado oil, rice bran oil, aloe leaf, castor seed oil, macadamia nut, green tea. So basically a lot of things that's really, really good for you. Rice milk, rice hip seed oil. So all natural, all good. I really, really like this. This will be my first time using any other product by Camille Rose besides this one. This is the only thing I have bought so far, but now I have that. But my hair is co-washed because I did a review on, what was it? The Taliah Wajjid green apple curl definer, and it did great. Don't get me wrong. I had that video also. I have that video. I'll link it down below, but it did great on my hair for like the first day. Problem is that day 2 and day 3, no. And I see why some guys request that you kind of show day 2 and day 3, because man, my hair was so dry. It was so bushy, and I think just because the density of my hair is, I need more than that. And I have like really thick density, and I did it in a wash and go, and it just didn't work out. Didn't work out for me. But for the first day, if I had somewhere to go just that day and I really didn't care about it lasting, it was still good. Also, I'm gonna link all these products in the description link below. It's going to be a link to where you can click on it to my Amazon store, and you can purchase it. And basically my Amazon store is where I have things categorized in different categories, different products that are good for different things. So you guys check that out. That link will be below. Also, I need my water bottle. Got my 360 water bottle. This link will be below as well. I got mine from a beauty supply store, but they sell them on Amazon too. Different sizes, but I definitely like my thick size. But let's go ahead and get started. My hair is drying up. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet it. And I'm still going to split these two sections. But yeah, because it's way too thick. And I'm really just going to finger rake my hair. I'm not going to coil it because I'm kind of a little bit in a rush. So don't mind me.
Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain. I know where your heart is, where you wanna be. So why do you keep testing me? It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me.
Okay, so you guys can see more than what I can, so I'm just gonna get closer in the mirror and kind of look to make sure I don't have too many frizzy pieces. So far, I feel like it feels like a jelly that I'm putting on my hair. Not really a gel, like just like a jam feeling and a kind of a sticky feeling. So I hope it doesn't last like that. So far, my hair does not feel that moisturized. I don't know if I should have used a cream with it. I know they said they do have a cream with this, but we're just gonna keep going and hope for the best.
Toothbrush, how does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles, just let it go. And trust me if you love me so. It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. You're more to me than just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again. I'll let you win. I'ma let you win. Yeah. I'll let you win. I'll let you
This is the finished look. I still have my struggle pieces right here. I did not do a bang this time. I kind of just wanted to see how it would look with, you know, kind of a middle part. Because I always do like bangs and then half of it to the side. But, well, this is actually not the finished look. So this will, it's the halfway finished look because I still have to let it dry and diffuse. But I wanted to show you guys. My curls are really clumped together. They look really shiny. My hair still really doesn't feel that moisturized. I'm gonna see as it dries and of course for like day 1 and day 2. But like I said, that's probably because I should have used maybe a curl cream with it. I'm not sure. But so far I like it. I like it. I do got that sticky feeling like all on my neck and stuff like that. So yeah, and on my hands. But I'm going to let this air dry, then I'm going to diffuse some and stretch it and fluff it out, and I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, and I am back. As you can see, that middle part did not last long. It did not look right. So anyways, I love the product. You know what, the product really helped me see a lot of non-moisturized pieces in my hair, because the product did really good on on my pieces that are like so moisturized. Like here you can see how shiny and pretty it is. And then on the parts that's struggling, like you see like right there how it looks like I have like no product on there. But I think that's not the product. Like I said, that's I believe that's my hair, because it did really good on pieces that, you know, are not, you know, struggling. But anyways, I diffused my hair. It took me a while to get it to dry. It took forever. I ended up stopped diffusing. I took like a 2-hour break, went back, diffused it again, and stretched it. But overall, I think the product is great. I definitely want to even try to use it on any of my twist outs. I believe I don't need to put as much as I did put on there. But other than that, I recommend it. It's a good product. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will catch you guys later, because I am tired and sleepy. Bye.